Welcome to the day 4 of the 136th Canton Fair. We are delighted to get you through another day of live stream full of opportunities. Today we will showcase top suppliers and highlight the latest product trends across key industries.
Feel free to drop your question and comment below. It's your chance to contact our supplier on Made-in-China.com directly. So stay with us because it's going to be another amazing day.
Hi, we are now in the hardware exhibition area. The hardware industry is a fundamental sector that supports many other industries, including construction, automotive, manufacturing, and home improvement. The products in this sector range from simple tools like hammers and wrenches to more complex items like power tools, fasteners, and industrial hardware components. Despite its long history, the hardware industry continues to evolve, driven by technological advancements, increasing demand for high-quality products, and a growing focus on sustainability and innovation. One of the most significant trends in the hardware sector is the rising demand for high-precision tools and equipment. As industries like construction and manufacturing become more automated and technologically advanced, the need for precision engineered tools has increased. Tools that offer higher accuracy, durability, and efficiency are in high demand, especially in sectors like aerospace and automotive, where every detail matters. Many of the exhibitors here at the Canton Fair are showcasing advanced hardware solutions designed to meet these requirements, including CNC machine tools, precision cutting equipment, and high-performance fasteners. Power tools are another area seeing strong growth, from coordinate drills to impact wrenches. The power tools market is expanding as both professionals and DIY enthusiasts seek more powerful, efficient, and portable solutions. One of the key innovations in this space is the increasing use of lithium-ion batteries in coordinate power tools. These batteries are lighter, hold a charge longer, and deliver more power, making coordinate tools more practical for a wide range of applications. You will find a wide variety of power tools on display at the fair, with the latest models offering enhanced features such as faster charging, longer battery life, and greater durability. Sustainability is also becoming a major focus in the hardware industry. As environmental awareness grows, both manufacturers and consumers are prioritizing eco-friendly products and processes. Many companies are now producing hardware that is made from these recycled materials or designed to be more energy efficient, reducing the environmental impact of both production and usage. For example, tools made from sustainable materials or products designed to last longer and reduce waste are becoming increasingly popular. This shift towards sustainability can also be seen in the packaging of products, with more brands option for biodegradable for minimal packaging. Another exciting trend is the rise of smart tools. With the integration of digital technology and the Internet of Things, traditional tools are becoming smarter, offering features like real-time data collection, remote monitoring, and precision control. Smart tools are particularly used in industrial settings, where tackling tool performance and maintenance can greatly improve efficiency and reduce downtime. Here at the Canton Fair, you will find innovative examples of these smart tools, including connective devices that allow users to monitor usage and performance via smartphone apps.
Do-it-yourself and home improvement projects are also contributed to the growth of the hardware industry, especially in the aftermath of the pandemic when more people started taking on home renovation and repair projects. This had led to a surge in demand for hand tools, fasteners, and other hardware products that cater to the home improvement markets. Consumers are looking for high-quality, easy-to-use tools that enable them to tackle a wide variety of projects at home, from building furniture to repair appliances. China plays a major role in the global hardware industry as one of the largest producers and exporters of hardware products. Chinese manufacturers are known for the ability to provide a wide range of products at a competitive price while maintaining good quality standards. In recent years, Chinese companies had also been focusing on innovation, developing new products that meet demands of international markets. At the Canton Fair, you will see an impressive range of hardware products, from the basic hand tools to advanced power tools and industrial components, reflecting the trends and versatility of the Chinese hardware manufacturing sectors. Looking toward to the future of hardware industries, automation and robotics will be continue to shape its development. In automated systems and robotic tools are increasingly being used to perform repetitive tasks with higher precision and efficiencies. This reduces labor costs and improves productivity, making automation an attractive investment for many companies. This integration of robotic arms and automated fastener and CNC machinery is becoming more common in the sectors like manufacturing and construction. Furthermore, customization and modular design are gaining traction. The consumer and industries are looking for hardware solutions that can be tailored to their specific needs. This has led to the development of modular toolkits and hardware systems that allow users to combine different components for different tasks. Customization is especially important in industries like aerospace and automotive, where specialized tools are often required to handle unique materials or complex assembly. In conclusion, the hardware industry is evolving rapidly with innovation, sustainability, and precision at its core. Whether you're a buyer, distributor, or simply interested in the latest advancements, at the Canton Fair, it will provide a unique opportunity to explore the future of the hardware. We, Made-in-China.com, encourage you to engage with the exhibitors, learn about the latest technologies, and discover the wide range of hardware solutions available to meet the demands of today's market. Thank you for joining Made-in-China.com on this tour, and we hope that you will enjoy the virtual journey at the Canton Fair.
Hi, now we are standing at Moto. Nice to have you here. Could you start with a brief introduction of yourself and your company?
Okay, thank you for the interview, first of all. And this is Nico from Moto. I have been in the foreign business trade for more than 30 years old. And in last 10 decades, I was been in the food business industry. And recently, for a very lucky chance, I joined our company. Our company was founded in 2010 by three young brothers. And they started from the very small business, from the motor repairing jobs, and now we are developing a very big size factories, which has 26,000 square meter industry zone. Yeah.
So what about the major markets you primarily serve?
Yes, our major market firstly was in China domestic, because you know China is a world factory, and we provide a lot of product to whole of the world. And China have a very advanced supply chain, so we have so many factories. Almost all the factories, they will need our motors. So primarily our major market is in China domestic. And now this year we started developing foreign business. And last year we have been to Thailand, Vietnam, Russia to attend the industry show. And this year we will plan to go to more countries like Russia and Germany to attend more professional industry shows.
Yeah, so what about your major products and what have you brought to this Canton Fair? Could you show us around?
Okay, no problem. Our major product is the three-phase asynchronous motors. Yes, this, and also the warm gearbox. We are specialized only in the motor and the gearbox. So in four of our factory, we only produce motors, different kind of motors. This is a geared motor with a reducer. This is an aluminum case with 0.75 kilowatts. And this one is customized for a client with very long shafts. This one is for the pump, measuring for the pump with better IP grade. And this one is normal standard B3 motors for the conveyors. And this one is a single phase cast iron motor. This one is normal motor with B5 big flange. And this one is normal motor with B14 small flange.
Yeah, so all these are wholesaling models.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So what about this one? Could you introduce more details in this model?
Yeah. For example, this is inside the instruction for all the motors. From the outside is the motor, the cast iron case, and the inside it is the silicon steel. And here is the four copper winding, and this is the bearing, and this is the shaft. This is the main basic part for a motor, and this is a cooling part with fan.
Yeah, so how do you ensure the product quality and how do you compliance with the international standards?
So as you see, there are three main parts in the motor. First one is the stator here. This part is stator, and the second part is a rotor that can rotate. So to make sure our quality is good, firstly, we will choose good quality materials. For example, like the silicon steel, we are using 600 cold rolling silicon steel, and the copper winding, we are using insulating F grade full copper to make sure everything is fine. And for the bearing, we cooperate with a famous Hangzhou brand called CU, which is a very reliable brand in China. And for the shaft, we bought the steel from the factory directly, and also we do the CNC all by ourselves to make sure everything is okay. So first part is the material, and second, we will do all the inspection after the semi-finished product finishes. Like for the rotor, we will do the balance test after it finished, and for the stator, we will connect the wire after it is made to make sure the insulation is well done. Yeah.
It's very detailed. So what about your production capacity and how you meet the large quantity of order?
Okay, so this is our factory. This is our factory. Our factory can produce 500,000 sets motors per year, and to make sure we get the volume, big orders, and we have ERP system to make sure from the raw material to the final delivery. And for the delivery time for the normal orders, it is 30 days. And for the big volume orders, it's in peak time, it's usually 45 days.
Yeah. So any specific the unique features compared to other competitors in the market?
Yes, we have all the basic certifications like CE and all the 3C and ISO and other to the Saudi Arabian surveyor certifications.
So thank you for your detailed and professional introductions. And we also want to talk more about the industry trends. Yeah.
So thank you so much for your sharing, and it's really impressive that your factory can meet a really large order. So there's some like special requirement from the customer, for
Yes.
example, customization and after
Yes.
sales service. So how the company can provide those kinds of like service?
Yes, that is a very good question because in the machinery industry, there are a lot of customizations because different clients they will have different requirements in the different situations. So normally we meet different requirements. We will have a brief, we have detailed meeting with the client, with our sales and with our engineer, and sometimes my boss will come with us to have the meeting. So after discussion, after the meeting, we will get the full understanding for the client's requirements, and then mostly we can meet their requirements because we have like more than 15 years experience, and we have very powerful supply chains and the technical team. But sometimes if we cannot meet their requirements, we just suggest them honestly and ask them to find more other qualified suppliers. Yeah.
Thank you for really honest answer.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
moving forward, can you share more details about like an impressive case of the buyer or
Yeah.
how you like provide
Yeah.
the service to them?
Yeah, it's very interesting. Actually, my most impressive clients is from Made in China. Yeah, like one day in July, I got a very common inquiry from Made in China, and he is from Venezuela, and he just listed a very brief introduction, like what his name is and what model he needs, and his mobile phone and his email address, and then I write back the email immediately, and then at the midnight, because we have time difference, I just made him a call, but there is no reply, neither in the email nor in the call. So after 3 days, I kept calling him, and finally he picked up, and he told me that he was very interested in our factory and he want to visit us. So that is very good news to me. So I kept writing email to him every 7 days, but he never replied at all. So but anyway, before he came to China, 2 days before he came to China, he write a message to me, and then we made an appointment about a meeting, and so after meeting we had a really good time, and then after that he placed a big order to us, and we became very best friends, not only in the business but also in the life, because we share a lot of interesting things in China and Venezuela. So it's very interesting for me. Yeah. So thanks to Made in China. Yeah.
Thank you so much. We're really happy to hear that
Yeah.
you can find a really qualified customer
Yeah.
on Made-in-China.com.
Yeah.
So do you see any future growth opportunity in that industry?
Yeah, like in the machinery industry, so every company they care about energy saving. So in future we will combine our Moto together with the clean energy, like the solar power or something like that. Yeah.
So as you are here with us today on the live stream, so
Yeah.
may I know like how you come to Made-in-China.com and how Made-in-China.com can help you with your business?
Made in China, first of all, you helped us generate a very interesting 306 degree. It's called real view image. Yeah. Because most of clients they cannot come to our factory, so we just send them the QR code, and then they scan it, and they will see all the details from the outside and inside of our workshop. So after they see our workshop, they will say, oh, our factory is very fabulous one, and it will help us to build the trust. So that's a very perfect. That's a good job. Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah.
So if you have any question or request, just click on the link below and send any request and inquiry to our suppliers, or come to Made-in-China.com to find a supplier. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
My pleasure.
And we are now in the exhibition area of automotive parts. The automotive parts industry is a vital component of the global automotive market. This sector includes a wide variety of products, including engine components, transmission systems, brake parts, lighting, and electronic systems. As the global automotive industry evolves, so does the demand for more advanced, efficient, and sustainable auto parts. With the rise of electric vehicles, autonomous driving technologies are growing environmental regulations. The auto parts sector is undergoing significant changes. One of the biggest trends we are seeing in the industry is the shift towards electric vehicle components. As more automakers transition from traditional internal combustion engines to electric powertrains, the demand for specialized parts, such as battery system, electric motors, and charging components, is increasingly rapid. Manufacturers are working to develop components that enhance the efficiency and performance of electric vehicles, including lightweight materials that help improve range and reduce energy consumption. At this year's Canton Fair, you will find a wide range of EV components on display, showcasing the cutting-edge innovations that are shaping the future of transportation. Battery technology plays a crucial role in this transition. The shift towards EVs has led to a surge in demand for the batteries and the development of more advanced battery systems that offer longer driving ranges, faster charging times, and greater energy density. Suppliers in the automotive parts industries are investing heavily in battery management systems that ensure the optimal performance and safety of electric vehicle batteries. You will also see solutions for recycling and reusing batteries, as sustainability becomes a key focus for the industry. In addition to electric vehicles, the rise of autonomous driving technology is transforming the automotive parts market. As self-driving vehicles become more advanced, they require a variety of high-tech components, including sensors, radars, lidar systems, and AI-powered computing systems. These parts enable vehicles to detect their surroundings, navigate roads, and make driving decisions without human intervention. The integration of advanced driver assistance systems is also becoming more common in traditional vehicles, enhancing safety and convenience for drivers. Here at the Canton Fair, you will have the opportunity to explore the latest advancements in autonomous driving technologies and the components that make them possible. Sustainability is another key focus in the auto parts industry, with governments around the world implementing stricter environmental regulations. Automakers and parts suppliers are under increasing pressure to reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency. As a result, there is growing demand for eco-friendly parts, such as lightweight materials that reduce the overall weight of vehicles, improving fuel efficiency, and parts made from recycled and renewable materials. Manufacturers are also working on components that contribute to the reduction of exhaust emissions, such as catalyst converters and exhaust systems that meet stringent environmental standards.
The aftermarket is another important segment of the auto part industries. Consumers are increasingly investing in the aftermarket products to enhance the performance, appearance, and functionalities of their vehicles. They include everything from performance-enhancing parts like turbochargers and suspension upgrades to cosmetic modifiers like LED lighting and custom rims. The growing popularity of vehicle customization and the increasing lifespan of vehicles are driving demands for high-quality aftermarket parts. And many exhibitors at the Canton Fair are showcasing their latest trend in this space. China plays a dominant role in the global automotive parts industry, being one of the largest producer and exporter of auto parts worldwide. Chinese manufacturers are known for their ability to produce high-quality components at competitive prices, serving both domestic and international markets. In recent years, Chinese companies have also made significant strides in innovation, particularly in the fields of electric vehicle components, autonomous driving technologies, and sustainable materials. At this year's Canton Fair, you'll see a wide variety of products that reflects the trends and diversity of China's automotive parts industry, from traditional components to cutting-edge solutions for the vehicles of tomorrow. Looking to the future of the industry, one of the most exciting developments is the growth of smart and connected vehicles. As cars become more integrated with digital technologies, the demand for telematic system, infotainment system, and connected car components is growing. These systems enable vehicles to communicate with each other, with the infrastructure providing real-time data on traffic conditions, vehicle performance, and driver behavior. The futures of the automotive industry will be heavily influenced by the development of these smart technologies, and the auto parts sectors will play a critical role in making this vision a reality. Moreover, we can expect to see continued advancement in 3D printing for auto parts manufacturing. 3D printing allows manufacturers to produce custom parts quickly and cost-effectively, reducing lead times and enabling greater flexibility in production. These technologies are particularly useful for producing prototypes and small batches of specialized components, and this has the potential to revolutionize the supply chains for automotive parts. In conclusion, the automotive parts industry is undergoing a period of rapid transformation, driven by the advancement in electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and sustainable technologies. Whether you're a buyer, distributor, or just simply interested in the latest trends, the Canton Fair provides a unique opportunity to explore the future of automotive components. We, Made-in-China.com, encourage you to visit the exhibitors, engage with the industry experts, and discover a wide range of solutions that are shaping the future of mobility. Thank you for joining Made-in-China.com today. We hope you enjoy the virtual journey at the Canton Fair.
Hi, now I'm standing with Rachel. And Rachel, I know you have been at Canton Fair for many times. So apart from the on-site exhibitions, and we also have a online platform for the global buyers, Made-in-China.com. And could we try like some innovative function that will help the buyers to source our products?
Okay, actually there are so many functions that I like about Made in China. For example, it's very convenient. For example, I'm right now currently sourcing for the tricycle electrics. And then for the Made in China, it's gonna be already gather all the suppliers here, so I can see it's very clearly in different company, and then I can see what the certification that they already have. I can see that how much of the warranty and whether it's already in stock. Yes, all these things is very convenient for me that I can compare many suppliers at the same time. And also it's very convenient that I can directly contact the supplier right here rather than I have to send the inquiry and then get it later. And the most impressive function here is it post my RFQ here. So for example, if I cannot find any product that I'm looking for, so I can directly post my RFQ here. And then they're gonna have suppliers gonna able to see what I want. I also able to specific all the things payment terms and my budget and shipping method, everything. And yes, I used it before and it's quite good because it's very fast. You're gonna have supplier reach you and reply the RFQ here. And it right here is very convenient, a price transparency. You can see all the pricing here and many terms, many conditions.
And back to the homepage, and we have some special banners or some special activities that we show on the homepage.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So the activities we are running at time, and smart export, secure trading services, and star buyers. And we also can scroll down to the bottom of the page, and we support like
local
16
languages.
languages. Yeah.
Ah, cool.
And we also have a blog page that we share all these blogs from the various industries and to help buyers to source products and get the latest industry trends from the world. Yeah.
Oh, cool. That's helped a lot. Okay, thank you so much for
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for the time. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us and visit our website for more industry insights. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, now we are standing with CHCH Industrial. Nice to have you here. Could you start with a brief introduction of yourself and the company?
Yeah, hello everybody. This is Jerome from CHCH Industrial. Okay, so let me make a brief introduction for our company. And CHCH Industrial was founded in 1987. Until now, we have more than 37 years old history. We established in driving chain system, and also we are the first A-share listed company in China for the driving chain system. This is all our main products. We established in chains, sprockets, knife, and so many agricultural parts. Basically, until now, we have more than brand registered in more than 120 countries, including South America, North America, Asian, and Southeast Asia. Yeah, and
Yeah, so what about the products you brought to Canton Fair this time?
this is a much more new kind of expanded lines. Is for chainsaws, which is used for cutting the woods, and also we have some kind of non-standard chains for the poultry system of the kitchen feeding, and this is kind of industrial chains. Basically, we can make the carbon steel chains and stainless steel chains with different attachment used for the agriculture machinery. We supply to them, like we supply to the OEM factories such like John Deere, Kiss New Holland, and Claas. Yep. And this is kind of sprockets which could be used with chains together, and also the knives, the bars. It could be the assembly with the chains to use in the machinery of the agriculture as well. And also, we have so many types of industrial chains which could be used in different industrial areas, such like construction, the lifting, the storage, and everything like that.
Yeah, so speaking of the product quality, how do you ensure that the quality and compliance with the international standards?
Yeah, we have a very strict QA process in our factory, such as from the materials until the production. We have a 4 QA process to ensure the quality is full enough for our customers. And also, we can do the QA process before the shipment. From the materials, production, and everything will be done. We also have the garden people to check in the full chains before shipment, so the quality can be controlled.
Yeah. So what about the production capacity and how do you meet the large quantity order?
You know, as the first A-share listed company for driving chain system in China, we have 4 capacity for the demands of customers' needs. So I cannot give the exact number because it's quite a large number. I can't remember it. Okay.
Yeah, of course. So thank you for your detailed and professional introductions of all these chains. And we also want to talk about more about the industry insights. So let's move on.
So regarding to the customization, how flexible is the company to adapt to the special needs of the customer?
You know, from the different regions and the countries, customers always have different specific requirements for the products, such like different attachments of the chains, right? Different color, different surface treatment measures, different quality. So we have 4 experiences with 37 years experiences on driving chain systems. We have our ability and power to make sure that our tooling and our technology can make sure the customers' requirements of the change. And also we have our own R&D laboratory and a working shop to make sure the quality, to make sure the science, technology skills, and everything could be done and satisfied with the customers.
That's really impressive. So regarding to other features, do you think that is there any other feature that the customer worry about when they saw the product from your company?
Yeah, I think the customers always worry about the quality because the chain system, the driving chain system is always the most important things in the different machinery and different industrial series. And the quality is always important because it's going to be a very important factor in this kind of system. So we have our own QE process and other measures to make sure the quality is suitable for the customers. And also the customers always worry about the leading time, the delivery time and price. In the now world, everywhere there's competition everywhere, right? So the prices might be another important factors of the customers think, and also such like the agriculture change. Different people have different regions have different seasons for the crops. So maybe in like in Egyptian, they have 2 seasons in every year. So they need to prepare the change before the season coming. So I think the delivery time is also important factors of the customers' requirements.
So when talking about the dynamics of the industry, do you see any change or shift in the industry and how the company can address to those change?
Yeah, I think in the old China, much more factories focus on the labor working, and now with the intelligent improved factory are much more the industrial lines are transferred from the labor working to the intelligent. And now in Choho we have totally automatically factories. Here are the videos to introduce it. And Choho now have this kind of factories with a high efficiency to ensure the quality of the products, continue to promote the automation of production process and the intelligent control technology, ensure the efficient and stable production of products, and provide customers with high quality and high performance chain system products. And we will continue to move towards to the global chain system technology leader in our future.
So as you are with us today on our live stream at Canton Fair, so may I know why do you choose Made-in-China.com as your service, and how do you think that Made-in-China.com can help you with your business growth?
As we all know, the Made-in-China.com is kind of a famous platform in the whole world for the overseas sales. So we have been made a cooperation with Made-in-China.com for 2 years, and in the past 2 years we have a lot of progress, and we did make some real deal with our customers from this platform. And I think the Made-in-China.com is not only a platform for the customers, also the platform for the buyer for ourselves, right? And the buyers can see every details from the platform about our factory. We can gain their trust. And also the Made-in-China.com is kind of a communication tool. We can do the communication with customers with no delay, and which helps us in the real success deal. And anyway, I think the Made-in-China is kind of a trustworthy platform for the whole overseas sales person and factory. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing, and it's our honor to hear that the Made-in-China.com help you with your business growth. So it's the end of our live stream today. Don't forget to click on the link below and to send any inquiry question to our customer Choho or find Choho on Made-in-China.com.
Thank you.
you.
Thank you.
Welcome back to the Thursday at Canton Fair live stream. We're thrilled to have you with us today. Whether you have been following us from the first day or just joined today, we're excited to show you the latest innovation and the top updates.
Yeah, and as always, this live stream is brought to you by Made-in-China.com, your go-to B2B platform for connecting global buyers with trusted Chinese suppliers. So let's get started with today's session and dive right into the action.
So that concludes our day 4 at Canton Fair. It's a pleasure sharing with you all of the amazing suppliers and products. Thank you for tuning in and engaging with us today. We hope you find valuable insight and new business opportunities.
Yeah, and remember, you can always send inquiries or connect with suppliers anytime at Made-in-China.com. Don't miss tomorrow's live stream. It's our final day, and we'll have more exciting features for you. See you.